This summer, I had the unique opportunity to explore Natori's very own factory, FFI, which is based outside of Manila in the Philippines. With more than 300 employees, this factory has been family-owned and operated ever since 1979. What makes Natori's factory particularly unique is that many of their workers have been with the factory for decades. This factory prides itself on exceptional craftsmanship, and it produces the vast majority of Natori's higher-end collections, including Josie Natori Couture, whose prices retail for up to $10,000.
Man, I wouldn't have even thought about these things.
Designs created by Josie Natori herself are sent directly to this factory from New York City, where they can be prototyped and manufactured by master designers and embroiderers. In my visit, I was particularly struck by the beauty and quality of the fabrics, as well as the care taken by each individual worker.